No, 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 no.
We're gonna create a bomb diffuser game. Let's start it. We will create an empty activity. Click Next. Enter bomb diffusal package name. Select the language Kotlin. Minimum SDK 5.1 and finish. Let's start with the design of the app. We go to activity main. Here's the layout. We will create an image to display a bomb, a progress bar, and a start button. Firstly, remove the text view and replace it with image view. Now we will copy some assets for the image. So we have finished copy some of the assets to project. Now we can set the image. Next, we will add a progress bar. Next, we can add the start button. Create the progress bar animations. Right-click on the package and click a Kotlin class. We name it the progress bar animation. We create a class progress bar animations and it extends animations. Here we create a constructor that contains a progress bar, a type progress bar. The second param is a var from. We want to set the initial value for the progress bar and the target value of the progress bar. Next, we will override the transformations. We calculate the value of the progress and set the value. We also want to change the color of the progress bar so that it will gradually switch from the green to red. Green is for the safe feeling, while red is for dangerous feeling. So we apply the progress drawable with the color filter. We use lighting color filter and we set the color from RGB, and the red value will be 255 multiplied with progress bar dot progress over the progress bar dot max value, and for the green it is 255 minus 255 multiplied with progress bar dot progress over progress bar dot max, and we set the blue component to 0 and we add it to the black. Right, so that the progress bar animation. Next, we will modify our main activity so that it will respond to the click start buttons. We will integrate two interfaces. One is animation listener so that we control the state of the animations. The second one is view dot on click listener. Now we can implement the members defined in those interfaces. We select all and click OK. So firstly, we will find the root view and then register the on click listener. We initialize the animations. And we new image. This image is from the layout. Start animations and animations. Alright, so let's see what we got. Okay, so now when we click the start button, the progress bar starts to run, and when it reaches to the end, the bomb will explode. Our task is to click the bomb constantly so that it can reduce the progress bar until it reaches 0. I will create a sound service, so we will have a background music. We right click the package, Kotlin class, alright, and we name it the background sound service. Click OK. After create the media player service, we can go back here and finish the main activity. Firstly, we will create a reset function to reset the state of the game. Now we need to start the game. When player click the start button, it will go here. Firstly, we will reset the game and then we start the music. We can disable the button and then we will start the animations. And animations. And we will initialize the animations in the reset functions. We start from 0 to 100%. Next, we set the animation duration to 2 seconds, 2000 milliseconds, and we enable button just in case we disable it during the game. We may need to reset the state of the image and progress bar. Now we need to override the on animation end to check the progress. If the progress is 0, it means that we successfully defuse the bomb. If the progress reaches the end of the progress bar, then we will trigger the explosion animations. After that, we will reset the game after 10 seconds. So we go to handler, post delay. We call the reset functions. After, let's say, 5 seconds. Finally, we need to override the on-click method in order to decrease the progress of the progress bar. We decrease by 1 and we make some conditions statements here. For example, progress if smaller or equal 0, then we cancel the animation. Else, we change the value of animation to the current progress and we restart the animation. So basically we have finished implement the game. Let's run it to see what happened.
no.